Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Respectable viewers, welcome to Treatment with Quran. Myself, Gulfam Riaz Hashmi. Respectable guys, we talk about magical issues and different other spiritual problems, and we prescribe their treatment according to Quran and Sunnah of Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. And there is one treatment most of the patients do not know about it, and that is cupping therapy and hijama. Cupping therapy, it is an ancient old therapy, and in which the therapist puts some special cups on your skin for some time, and he creates negative pressure through suction. And in this therapy, dirty blood and clots are extracted from human body and from skin. And it is very beneficial for many problems, for many physical issues. For example, diabetes, paralysis, hypertension, and different other problems. It is very beneficial for different physical issues. And it is also sunnah of Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. As Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam is reported to say, Ash-shifa'u fi thalathatin. Healing is in three. Sharbati asalin, in drinking honey, and shartati mihjam, in slash of cupping, and in burning with fire. And Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam forbids this last treatment. We cannot burn with fire for treatment of a disease, for treatment of a physical problem. But drinking honey and cupping therapy, it's very beneficial, as Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam himself used to apply this therapy on himself. And it is very beneficial for the patients who are under jinn possession, evil eye, and different other spiritual problems, and who are under the effect of black magic or any other kind of magic. So the question is that many people ask why it is beneficial for the treatment of these spiritual issues, for treatment of these psychological issues. So the reason is that magic is a dirty thing. Magic is dirt. So when it is fed or when it is given to a human being, it dissolves in human blood. So ultimately, it makes human blood dirty. So with hijama, in cupping therapy, human blood is cleaned, and those dirty elements are extracted from human blood, and the patient feels better. And there is another reason that in jinn possession, when a person is under jinn possession, so there is a possibility that jinns circulate in his body just like blood. As Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam says, Ash-shaytanu yajri min al-insani majrad dam. Satan circulates in human body as blood circulates in human body. So jinns are made of fire. So when they dissolve in human body and human blood, so ultimately this heat creates problems. And through cupping therapy, blood is undercooled. Cupping therapy undercools it, and it cleans human blood, and the effects of Satan are removed from human blood. And there is another thing. Magic and jinn possession creates many physical problems in human beings. So when cupping therapy is applied, many affected elements from human blood are removed, and patient feels relaxed, and patient feels better. So these are the benefits and advantages of cupping therapy. And one other thing, as I told you, jinns are made of fire, and this fire creates heat in human body, in human blood, and patients suffer with hypertension. But when cupping therapy is applied, it extracts dirty things, affected elements, and clots from human blood, and it regulates blood pressure, and patient feels better. So these are the advantages of cupping therapy. And more, in addition, it is sunnah of Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. And being a Muslim, I believe that all the elements, all the things, all the actions that Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam performed, he performed in the instructions of Allah Almighty. And when he himself applied this therapy in himself, and he prescribed this therapy for his ummah, so it means it's really beneficial thing for all the problems. So the patients who are under the possession of jinns, and who are under satanic effects, and who are the victim of magic and different other spiritual diseases and spiritual issues, they must apply cupping therapy, and inshallah with the help of Allah Almighty they will feel better. Assalamu alaikum.